So if you're thinking about starting to trade meme coins in 2026, you might have a lot of questions. How do you actually start as a complete beginner? So in this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through a beginner's perspective. How do you actually start trading meme coins? I'm going to be making accounts, connecting wallets, everything in this video, so you could follow through if you're a complete beginner, and you'll be all set to start trading meme coins. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below if you found this useful, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and start with the video. So if you're completely new to cryptocurrency, you don't have any wallet, you don't have a platform, the first thing you want to do is get a wallet. So a wallet is basically everything, a wallet just like you would use to hold your cash, cards, whatever, right? This is a wallet to hold your crypto. So you could hold any type of crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, whatever, right? So how do you get a wallet? So if you're using Chrome, you could just directly head to the web store, but if you're on any other browser, just go ahead to phantom.com and you'll be taken to this screen. Now this is a very trusted wallet. It is very beginner friendly. Again, if you're starting off, this will be the perfect start for you. So Phantom Wallet, very well known. So to get started with Phantom Wallet, just click the download button on the top right, and it'll take you to the screen. Download for desktop. Again, choose your browser. If you're on like Firefox, Chrome, Brave, Edge, whatever browser you're on. So for this example, I'm going to be using Chrome, so I'll just go ahead and click Chrome, and it'll take you to this screen. This is where you can add the extension, so it'll be basically on the top right of your browser, so you can access it anytime. So what you want to do is click this add to Chrome button, and then click the add extension. So just let that do its thing, and we can see Phantom has been added to Chrome, and it'll automatically take you to this screen. So again, very easy. Assuming you are a complete beginner and you don't have a wallet already, just click the create a new wallet button. So what this will do is create a wallet for you. Again, you could set it up with your email, or you could create a seed phrase wallet. So again, you could do any of this. You could continue with email or use a seed phrase wallet. For this example, I'm just gonna use a seed phrase wallet. And then here you will create a password for your wallet. Again, this can be any password that you remember while accessing your wallet, and this is also very important. And once you have your password set, you could see this medium, whatever, right? I don't really care about this wallet, but in your wallet, do make sure you set up a strong password, and then click the checkbox for the agree to terms of service, and then click continue over here. So and then it'll load, it'll make the wallet for you. So this is the most important thing about your wallet. Again, do not show this to anyone. I'm showing this just for educational purposes, right? I'm not using this wallet for my own. It is just for the tutorial, right? This is the only way to recover your wallet. Do not share it with anyone. So again, note this down somewhere, copy it down on a notebook. Make sure it's physical, so you don't lose it, or again, save it to multiple devices. Do whatever you want to keep this seed phrase safe. So again, you could just screenshot this, save this. I just screenshotted it, and then when you have saved your recovery phrase, click this checkbox and you could see the continue button. So next, it'll just create a random username for you. Again, you could put any username you want. If it's available, you'll get it. For this, I'm just gonna go ahead with whatever username it gave me, and then I'm gonna click continue. So basically, this is the creating the wallet now, and now we are all ready to go. So click the get started button, and you can see Phantom Wallet is now on the right side of your screen. So again, just enter the password that you entered when you created the wallet, and it'll show you this screen. So basically, currently you have obviously no money in your wallet, no crypto in your wallet. So if you want to start trading meme coins, especially, ideally you want to be buying Solana. So how do you buy Solana? Again, you're starting off with completely zero. You could buy Solana with cash. If you have a friend or anyone that has Solana, you could ask them to transfer you Solana, just a little bit for you to start trading. But again, if you're starting from complete scratch, you don't have anywhere to transfer crypto from, you could go ahead and buy Solana with cash. So just click whatever Solana you want to buy, and then you could add your credit, debit, whatever, right? There's a bunch of payment methods that you could use to actually buy Solana when you're starting off. So just do that process and you'll have Solana in your wallet actually tradable. Now, once you have Solana in your wallet, what's the next step? So again, next step is also very important, is to choose a trading platform. Again, I know there's tons of trading platforms out there, but the one I recommend is Axiom. So if you want to access Axiom, I have the link it down in the description. Again, you could get 10% off on fees if you use the link down in the description, so do make sure to check it out. And this is the link right here, so do make sure to use that link to sign up. And when you click the link, you'll be taken to this screen. So this is Axiom Pro. Again, so right here you want to click the start trading button, and it'll take you to the sign up page. So directly from here, you could it'll automatically enter the code, so you could get 10% off on your trading fees. You could sign up with your email, you could sign up with Google, you could connect with Phantom immediately. So Phantom is what we did earlier, right? We set up the whole wallet, you bought some Solana, right? So we could go ahead and immediately just connect with Phantom. So it'll ask you to connect right here on your Phantom side, so just click that connect button. And again, it'll ask you to confirm again, because just for security purposes, again, there's multiple confirm pages, so just hit confirm on all of them. So Axiom has access to all of these, and once you're authenticated, you will get another recovery key. And again, very important as well, because these are the only ways to access your wallet. So do make sure to note this down somewhere. Again, as I said, screenshot it, write it down on a notebook, do whatever you want to actually it'll copy, or you could copy it, save it somewhere, send it somewhere, reveal your key. This is your key, right? When you have it written down, just click continue. So now again, just click got it, continue, and next whatever, right? You could just skip the tutorial. And this is your wallet address. So if you bought Solana on your Phantom wallet, you want to transfer it to your Axiom wallet. So when you open up the screen, just click on Axiom, click the deposit button, and just copy this contact address. So, and when you have Solana on your Phantom wallet, so just click Solana and click send. You'll once you buy Solana, you have like a send button right here, Solana, right? You want to paste the contract address right here and the amount you want to transfer. Let's say you bought like 0.5 SOL, right? Starting off small, 0.5 SOL. You could enter that here and then transfer that to this wallet. So you could actually put that Solana into meme coins. Again, that is very important. You can't do you can't trade without putting money into meme coins. But if you also another honorable mention is if you want to start trading without your own money, I have a separate video on that as well, if you want to actually start paper trading. So I also link that down in the description, so you could check that out if you don't want to start off with your own money at first. So again, now you're all set and ready to start trading meme coins. You'll have some Solana in your Axiom wallet. Head over to the post section. You are all set to start trading meme coins. Now again, I have a bunch of tutorials how as a beginner you could start on Axiom Pro. You could also check them out if you're again overwhelmed with all the buttons, all the numbers on the screen, all the images. Don't worry, it is not as hard as it seems. So do make sure to check those videos out. Again, it is not as complicated as it seems. So again, very easy steps as a beginner that you could follow this video and again start trading meme coins. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, I took you guys on a complete journey how as a complete beginner you could get started with trading meme coins. Again, buying Solana, transferring it to your Axiom, getting a wallet, signing up to Axiom Pro, and all of that. So again, if you want the video explaining whatever you see on the screen on Axiom, I have a separate series on that. I'll also link it down in the description and also at the end of the video, so you could check that out to go further from here. So if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.